The 2022 Audi 3 Rupee Sedan. Audi launched the new A3 a while ago, which was soon followed by the S3. Obviously, the S3 is here to bridge the gap between the pedestrian A3 and the out-and-out hot hatch that is the 3 Rupees. Here is all we know up to this point about Ingolstadt's incoming compact rocket. A new set of spy pictures proves that Audi is hard at work perfecting the 3 Rupees recipe before the premium hot hatch is finally out of the oven. When that happens, the 3 Rupees is expected to hit the market with a tweaked version of Audi's 2.5-liter, 5-cylinder turbo gasoline mill that powers the current 3 Rupees and RS Q3, meaner looks, and an even higher quality interior. 2022 Audi 3 Rupees exterior. As per the spy shots sent in by our paparazzi, the new Audi 3 Rupees is getting the traditional RS treatment. That includes the 2 oval exhausts, beefier front and rear fenders as well as more muscular wheel arches. Also expect the 3 Rupees to flaunt a trunk lid integrated spoiler and unique design wheels. Generally, the visual drama will take a hike compared to the current S3. After all, the 3 Rupees sits at the top of the A3 range and it must show that on all levels. 2022 Audi 3 Rupees interior. There are no pictures of the upcoming RS3's interior, but the S3 is a good starting point as far as sporty touches go. As a side note, Audi's interiors of late have been oozing quality and a sense of tight-knit assembly courtesy of plushy materials and a theme that reflects not only the car's exterior design but especially the character dictated by what hides under the hood. That said, expect the likes of a sporty steering wheel, bucket seats, maybe a couple of carbon fiber inserts here and there, maybe even some aluminum, as well as Audi's slick virtual cockpit instrument cluster and MMI multimedia interface 10.1-inch infotainment setup. 2022 Audi 3 Rupees engine and drivetrain. There has been a lot of talk about the new RS3's firepower. One hint came from Audi Sports sales and marketing chief, Frank Mitchell, who spoke with Auto Express and might have suggested that the new 3 Rupees will retain the 2.5-liter, 5-cylinder mill of the current car. I think the 3 Rupees is one of the most emotional Audi sport cars and is a major part of the brand's DNA, even going back to the original Quattro. You can be sure that for every future RS model we will always take forward the good aspects and characteristics. Well, to us, it sounds like the acclaimed mill is here to stay. What we do not know, however, is just how potent will it be. An increase over the current 3 Rupees is on the cards, so north of 400 horsepower would be the best guess at this point. For the sake of the argument, the 2020 Audi 3 Rupees is good for 394 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, enough to help it blast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and onto a top-track speed of 155 miles per hour. On demand, Audi can remove the limiter to unlock a VMAX of 174 miles per hour. If Audi keeps the engine and the power output goes up, then we could expect a figure that is closer to Mercedes-AMG's A45. The pocket rocket from a Falterbach is fitted with a 2-liter turbo 4 good for 382 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. In the A45S, the mill produces 416 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, and we believe that this is where Audi will be aiming for with the new 3 Rupees. Elsewhere, the 3 Rupees will also keep the Quattro all-wheel drive setup and the engine is likely to be bolted to a 7-speed S-tronic automatic transmission. 2022 Audi 3 Rupees price and availability. Expected to debut in the second half of 2021, the Audi 3 Rupees will be offered in both sedan and sportback, i.e., hatchback, guise. The US will only get the sedan, most likely for the 2022 model year. As far as pricing goes, in the absence of official info from Audi, all we can add is that the current 3 Rupees has a starting MSRP of $56,200, so the new one might get a price bump to about $58,000 to $60,000. We will know more once the 2022 3 Rupees is properly announced.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.